Hello and welcome to my final video for Advanced Games Environment Design and Research. I have my map here, but first I'd like to go over my feedback from last time and say what I've tried to implement and what I couldn't. The first things were my boss battles and my AI. Considering the time constraints, the boss battle was never really realistic. And whilst the minions do spawn, they don't have an AI path to follow. Okay. Got my character and an improved map since last time, working on the actual structure of it. I've finally got the decay working. So after so many seconds, the decay actually increases in radius. There we go. With the spires now, rather than being a walk up to it and capture it, you have to click on it to capture it. And the capture points tick up. The reason it's saying player not in range is as it's logging both. The towers also now have the possess function, which gives me another character to control. But it's slightly bugged out because I can't get rid of this character. It's my minions spawning and following. But see, as that character captures that tower again, it spawns yet another alternative minion. If I go ahead and capture this spire, it teleports both to the boss battle at the centre, meaning that it's logged the player before and the current player, so they both get teleported. Okay, as far as my blueprints go, start with the game. Let's teleport the actor to the boss battle. Got my minions spawning via a loop. That is no longer needed here, but I left it in to show that I've looked at that and then moved it to a better location. Okay. I've got that piece of blueprint here, which logs the location of the decays. Got my actor begin overlap, which logs which character captured the spire, and I've also set a bull to see if the character is overlapping it rather than using the begin and end overlap. So I can set the bulls in a series of checks for the event tick, which I have extended. So say check the first, is it captured, is the player in range, have they clicked on the tower to capture it. Then we've got my counting up and counting down blueprints. And here is the simple possession part of the blueprint that I've used. I've got my character blueprints. These are pretty much the same as last time. My decay blueprint, again on event tick. casts to the spires, gets it captured, and it checks. If it's captured, it continues to loop through, not expanding the decay area. If it's not captured, it expands it by the original size every 10 units. In my controller, I've added the capture tower input as well as the set destination input, and used a function to get the hit, check if it's actually hit the tower, and then set it to capture or not depending on the outcome. In all honesty, I'm fairly happy with this, considering how far I've come in the development of it and how much I've had to learn in order to get to this point from where I was when I started the module. However, not being able to fix the little bugs and get it polished enough with enough player feedback more than the print screens in the corner is incredibly disappointing. Thank you for listening and watching.